Hi there, students. Bashful. Okay, bashful's an adjective. Bashfully, the adverb. And bashfulness, the noun. Okay, if you describe somebody as bashful, they are easily embarrassed. They're shy. They're uncomfortable around people. So, he smiled at me bashfully. Yeah, this is somebody who's shy, who's reserved, and they often feel uncomfortable with other people around. They're very easily embarrassed. They are retiring, very unassuming and coy. Okay, so he bashfully said that he could help me. Okay, so very self-conscious and awkward in the presence of other people. He was a bashful person and was always looking at the wall, not looking at people. Okay, so self-conscious and awkward. He was very polite, but he was also very bashful as well. Yeah, he tried to avoid being noticed because he's shy and modest. Yeah, he's rather timid. She was always a very bashful child. The bashfulness of his manner was quite striking. Okay, it was quite clear, it was quite obvious. Okay, so bashful, shy, reserved, retiring, blushing, timid, self-conscious, diffident as well. Okay, so yes, he gave me a bashful smile. He bashfully gave the present to the girl. Okay, so bashful, to be embarrassed, shy, not liking to be noticed, socially timid. Okay, I'm sure you all know the story of Snow White and the Seven Dwarves. Well, do you know the dwarves' names? Because one of them, his name is Bashful. They were Doc, Grumpy, Happy, Sleepy, Bashful, Sneezy, and Dopey. So Bashful was very shy and kind-hearted. Yeah, and he's always got a rosy blush and a shy, timid smile. That was bashful. There's no need to be bashful. Just tell us what you think. Okay. So bashful. How formal is this word bashful? This sounds very literary. I would use, I think, shy or timid in an informal conversation. Sounds very literary. 6.57 in formality, something like that. So semi-formal and formal writings. And then as to origin, well, let's see. His bashfulness or bashful, the verb is actually to abash, to make ashamed, to destroy the self-confidence of. Okay, so he was abashed. Yeah, he was very bashful. Let's see. Okay, it comes from a Middle French word abaisser, to astonish or to alter, and that itself comes from medieval Latin ex bado, ex out of, and bado to gape or to yawn as well. Okay, so I guess this is a word imitating a yawn, bado. Okay, so bashful, ashamed, shy, timid. Don't be so bashful. Tell everybody what you think. He was too bashful to ask the girl out, even though he liked them. People who are bashful tend to be shy, introverted people and not very outgoing. Okay? So, I'm not sure. I think being bashful is quite a cute characteristic in people. Yeah, they don't have great self-confidence, but it's an endearing quality. Okay, so this is good for describing people. He was always very bashful in his dealings with other people. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bashful.